Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to
subscribe.
How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a spicy lobster ramen mukbang. It's one of those bowl ramens that I spiced up to the gods. Like I made it extra spicy because my allergies are acting up. Now I also got some shrimp and some fresh green beans on deck. To drink, we have some H2O as always. Stay hydrated. And we also have that dry red back, the K Shiraz. Because I want to do the dry. Because I kind of want a little buzz right now. We got my special K glass from my special K, aka K from Cali. Salute to all the tippers in the house. All right, y'all. Let's get the pouring. So we can get to giving thanks. And we can get into this mukbang. Y'all, this shit is mukbang. We're going to be doing the random words challenge by my Cuzzo Rhonda, aka Rhonda's red sauce. To help me out with it here today is NENE. Say hey, NENE. Hi. She's going to be spitting out the random words that I have to incorporate in whatever I'm saying. Y'all see that spiciness? And I've told y'all before, scroll back to another video and I'll tell you everything that I put in my ramen. I put it in there every time. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grubbing. Okay, if Rhonda did not create this challenge and somebody else did create it, just let me know and I'll correct it in the description box. From far as I know, Rhonda created the challenge. So shout out to you, Rhonda. I'm doing the challenge finally. Yay! I'm so behind, y'all. How's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on?
Wait, so I just yell any words?
Mm-hmm.
Whippersnapper?
You know, when I was a young whippersnapper, I wouldn't be able to ask you what you're sipping on because I wasn't allowed to sip. Although I remember one time for our 16th birthday, I couldn't believe it, y'all. My dad actually gave us, it wasn't my dad. Yeah, it was my dad. He put a little alcohol in the punch in our 16th birthday party. Put a little alcohol in the punch, and my mom went behind him because, we can really taste it. And she gave us a little bit more. Mm-hmm. But now I'm an adult and I can drink how much I want.
Discombobulate.
She got me all discombobulated with these words, y'all. I just want to eat my hot soup before it get cold. But I did tell her join in. Oh, this is good.
Lollygag.
I gotta stop lollygagging talking to y'all because I'm not gonna finish my food. She ain't even giving me a second. She over there with her phone looking them up. Hot.
Malarkey.
This is some freaking malarkey, man. I don't even know what the hell that means. This is some freaking malarkey. Because she won't let me eat my food. But I'm not going to complain about the malarkey. Which I don't even know what it means. I wish she would just say stuff that we know what it means, but...
What's the fun in that, though?
She on her phone looking stuff up. And she didn't even give me... Y'all, we only like 4 minutes in this video. I think I had like 5 words. Let me hurry up. Oh, good. That's real good. You want some more? I made it extra spicy, y'all, because my allergies are really acting up. Because I dusted her room. Yeah, now I have allergy to dogs.
Nincompoop.
I'm a complete nincompoop for not wearing masks when I was dusting her room. I should have known. My allergies will act up. But if y'all don't let your allergies, if you don't catch them, it'll turn into something else. It will. You'll develop a sinus infection because it'll back up. And sinus infection can lead to something else. So that way, that's why you need to let them drain. And a good way is Spicy food.
Comeuppance.
I don't comeuppance in the world. I comeuppance in the world. I used to take cold medicine for everything, you know. Well, not for everything, but when I, you know, before I knew about the holistic world. I just take the synthetic stuff. There we go. But I don't come up in the world.
That's not what that word means.
Well, what do you mean?
It means getting like your just desserts, you know? It's like their comeuppance. It's an old word.
I'm not old. I'm older. Well, they're just deserved. Everyone who doing things they ain't got no business doing.
Get their comeuppance.
Will get their comeuppance.
Comeuppance.
Comeuppance. Damn, over there gonna get her comeuppance. Forgive me words, I don't know what the hell they mean. I'm a simple girl. Simple gal. That's it. Mm-hmm. I be beaming, I be booming, I be everywhere you know I got be hot. I don't mess that up. Oops, give me Pittsburgh.
Anemone.
You know, when she was younger, this one over there, she used to watch Finding Nemo all the time. With the skin in me. You gotta stand the skin in me. Stand in me. Stand in me. There's another word for it besides from that plant?
No. And a CNN.
So the hell, how does that go to my conversation?
It doesn't. You just say any word I want.
I did. This is a nice simple dish. Remember, y'all, I'm going out later on to eat. It seems like it's just gonna be me and Gemma. That big okay for just us? I guess I say that for our birthday shout out, y'all. It might come a little early. I'll let you know. I'll give you a heads up now. Because, you know, I'm not going to buy cake twice. I'm be wasting the cake. Y'all know we are on the road to 16K for my B-Day. I'd like to give a huge shout out, though, to someone who just met a wonderful milestone. Shout out to my niecey, It's So Naya. She hit 40K last
Oh my god, dang.
Happy 40K to you. If you're not already subscribed to her, go ahead and check her out. What are you waiting on? Y'all are missing a great deal. I mean, she just got a lot about her. Auntie is so proud of you, Nana. You keep on going, honey. Oh, Pittsburgh. I'm right behind you. I'm on your tail, girl. I'm on your tail. No, we're not really. I'm like in your dust somewhere, but
gibberish.
Y'all, you know, I just be speaking a whole bunch of gibberish sometimes. Anyway, her link will be in my description box below. No, actually, I'm gonna link it in the card up here somewhere, okay? But I do, you know, I'm speaking a lot of gibberish. It just be like that sometimes. I get the rambling and stuff, and you know how T.I. is.
Peacock.
I love this dress. It's kind of peacock-ish, isn't it? It is. It got little feathers on it. Look at that. Bam! What?
Valedictorian.
NENE could have been valedictorian in her class.
No, I could not.
She could have. If she'd have worked herself into her grave, she could have.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
But I'm happy about all the honor she did graduate with.
Scrumptious.
Y'all, this meal is so scrumptious. It's good, y'all. It's getting real spicy. We're getting towards the bottom. It's scrumptious. Before we get too far gone, though, y'all, I want to go and do the post notification tribe shout outs. Tribe notification. See, there's that gibberish right there. Tribe notification. That's good. Shout out.
Canoodle.
She has me in quite a canoodle, man.
That's not what that word
Oh, canoodling
means.
on cold nights.
Oh my god.
I be wanting me a nice warm bowl of soup. You know, I don't mind canoodling, you know, but I ain't got nobody to canoodle with, so I canoodle with my pillow. Is that better?
Yes. Nincompoop.
If this nincompoop over here in the corner don't let me go ahead and finish my what I'm trying to do. Anyway, this shout outs come from my last video. My curry, snow crabs, and McGorry mukbang. First is Mama D's World. Hey, Hermana! How are you? If you haven't checked out her channel, go and check her out. Also check out our collaboration that we did. Damari Santos and Celeb 2008-6LH. You still haven't told me what the rest of that means. Thanks so much for being part of the notification trial. I truly appreciate you. And I'm still eating, y'all. Like always, if you'd like to be a part of the notification tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video, and I'll shout you out in the following video. Hold on, y'all. Let me finish this. If for some reason I forget to shout you out, which I do often, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video and shout you out there. Long story short, you get your shout out, boo. Okay? Okay. Y'all, don't forget on the last video to go ahead and drop the birthday shout outs. Not this one, the next one, the one before this one, the curry crab. Drop your birthdays for the birthday shout out video, okay? Either drop it there or put it in my put it in my community tab. Hold on, Keisha. Ooh, excuse me. Those are the only 2 places I'm going to be looking, okay?
Shenanigans.
In the words of Cuzzo AB, all these shenanigans got me discombobulated.
Rambunctious.
Some may say I was a rambunctious teen, but I really wasn't. I was good. I got a rambunctious one in there. He don't like to be interrupted when he's playing his game. My other 2 are pretty good. Well, one hasn't made it to teenage stage yet. I'm not quite sure if she's going to be rambunctious or not, but I think I was a pretty good kid. She had her moment, but still not as bad. Some of these hooligans around here, child, rambunctious ain't even the word I would use for them. But you know what? We got to keep this, you know. Ooh. You don't have words just in your head?
Like boring words.
So what did you type in? Exciting words?
No, I just typed in I was looking for different types of words. Skedaddle.
Y'all. Hey, those are all Cuzzo AB words right there. I'm getting full, so we're gonna skedaddle here in a little bit. Off this book ball. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the soup. And then we're gonna go ahead and skedaddle. I'm gonna let y'all go about your day, finish your business. I'm gonna upload this as is. Okay. But a lot of y'all who don't like my intro probably like, thank the gods! What? Y'all ready? Let's show that. Woo! Nelly, that's it. You ready? Clear you up.
It's spicy.
Spicy like my tonics. It's a tonic in a bowl, basically. But I'm not trying to get sick. But all that foolery. What was other word? Shenanigans. Can't got time for them sick shenanigans. This tastes really good though. This is good. Ooh. I'm gonna finish this soup though. Sorry y'all. My bad. Got an alarm. If you're new to my channel, I do record my phone and I have a lot of alarms set. A lot of them are meant for my baby girl So I don't turn them off because then I'll forget to turn them back on. Hold on, kiss bird. Ooh, excuse me. Are you done, Miss Van on NENE?
Yes.
Okay. We can eat in peace. What was left? One of y'all can eat the rest of these. Probably pot, because you don't like green beans. There's some lemon pepper and garlic in there. Thank you so much, NENE, for helping out today's mukbang. She drilled me, y'all. Oh, thank you for getting my trash.
I have one more word for you.
That's so sweet. Yes.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. See you later. Put your fingernails in. Look at her lovely nails. You know her daddy got a nail shop. Look at that. Ooh. Y'all, maybe I should get my nails done for birthday. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep them up. Yeah, she had one with these eyelashes. You see? Like I got alopecia on my eyelashes. Oh my God. What? They kind of looking kind of rough. I know they are. Just bear with me, honey. I was gonna get a feel and I changed my mind because I was like, that's not even me. Excuse me, shirt. Another special occasion I might have them done, but to keep them on all the time, that's not. Be honest with you, that's not who I am. So I'm just gonna let them fall out because I ain't paying the $30 I haven't removed. They just gonna fall. It's gonna be all right. Some just gonna be long, some gonna be short. It's gonna be all right. It's bad enough I paid someone to put something on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't paying someone to take it off. No. Nah, it says Keisha the Floyd. All right, guys. Oh, good, my nose is running. Sorry, I know y'all. It's kind of nasty. I wanted to flush out all the allergens, everything that's in there. That's why I made it so spicy. Like I said, check out another ramen mukbang, like a cut ramen mukbang, and I tell you everything that I put in there. If not, if you want to know, comment down below, and I'll answer one of yours and pin it so everybody can know what I put in there. Okay? Hold on, she's burped. Come to the light. Ooh, excuse me. All right, guys, we're continuing our program. Thank you for joining me on my spicy, extra spicy lobster bowl ramen plus shrimp and green bean mukbang. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, plus random word challenge by Rhonda Red Sauce. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, come part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below, let us know that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it's your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the Adventures of LELE'S Gotcha channel. Her link will be in my description box below, along with at the end of my video. Also, check out NENE's channel. Her link will be in my description box below, as well as at the end of my video. And until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. And welcome to all the new tribe members. Ah!